Me and Greg Stephens are really excited to host this online session. We were a little bummed that the meeting was canceled, but we're really happy that most of the speakers are actually able to join us. So thank you very much for joining under these really unusual and strange circumstances to this kind of a social interaction, which is what this whole session is about. So social interactions, as you all know and appreciate, shape our brain and lives, but they could be really challenging to explore quantitatively, at least until recently, where the advent of physics of behavior allows for more precise measurements and developing of theory. So really what this session is about is kind of like a subsection of physics of behavior, where we're going to focus on how organisms interact with other organisms, either through the environment in a more subtle way, or a more like a more explicit physical contact. And we have a lot of exciting model organisms that we're going to hear about today, such as insects like bees and ants, plants, fish, and humans. And am I forgetting something? Worms, thank you. Yes, sorry. Cells, yes, yeah. And we try to keep the original speakers list with just a few modifications of people who so substitution of talks who couldn't make it. Just maybe a technical note.
Can you see the schedule? No.
Oh, that's weird. Okay.
Hold on a second. Can anybody see this? No. Can anybody see the schedule?
No.
No.
Okay.
Why not?
Sorry.
Not on the screen.
No.
No.
PowerPoint thing you're showing. I think you have to go to like share screen on PowerPoint before you share screen.
Yes, we see it.
Now you can see.
Now you can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
good.
yes. All right. So this is our schedule. And just a technical comment. First, this is kind of a first time for us trying to organize such a large meeting online. So if you could please make sure that you're all muted so that we don't get any feedback. And then if you have any questions, you can use the raise the hand function. And then we'll coordinate the questions afterwards this way. Anything else?
Perfect. And for the session, I'm going to be your time taskmaster. So, or the iPhone's going to be the taskmaster. So for the short talks, the phone will go off when you're totally done with time. That's 12 minutes. But we will interrupt at 10 minutes to make sure that you know you have only 2 minutes left for questions. For the long talks, which we're about to go into, the phone will go off at 30 minutes, at which time there's 6 minutes for questions. Okay? Everybody ready to jump into this?
I think so.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So our first speaker is joining us all the way from Tel Aviv University.